All right, we just got back from the east coast of Florida to the west coast of Florida, and it is pouring. Tornado watches, just the sky is dark. I just got done filleting the king mackerel that you'll see in the video, and the fillets look delicious, and they're just huge. So we're gonna smoke those tomorrow. We're gonna make some fish dip. But what's really cool is when I was cutting open the fish, there were 2 egg sacs in there, and Megan goes, "Don't you want to try eating mackerel roe?" And I was like, well, I don't know. Long story short, I'm going to be eating mackerel roe. We're going to fry it up tomorrow. So let me show you what it looks like. How cool is that? It's got this nice sheen to it. I've already rinsed it off. I separated the sacs. You know, let me see if I can get up close. If you've ever had caviar before, you can see all the little eggs there. They're not as poppy, you know, crunchy and crispy as normal caviar, so we're gonna give this a try. If you heard Megan gagging in the background, she's really excited to watch me eat this.
Oh, I'm excited to watch him eat it. There is no way I would ever put it in my mouth.
Cyrus, what do you think? Would you eat it? Would you eat it? Want some? Bristol, you want some? Well, there you have it. I'm not the only one crazy enough in this house to try some mackerel roe, so we'll try it up tomorrow and let you guys know how it tastes. Nope. You guys ready?
Ready.
Slow troll. Devin's ready.
I'm ready.
Devin's on the downrigger.
Oh, it's a little king. Keep him in the water real quick.
Nice. That's about as big as the one that spooled my line. Good fish. You made that look easy.
It was this big! There he is.
Oh yeah.
Just like that slow.
Nice.
Hey, there we go. One of y'all open that. Good job.
Guess who's eating king mackerel tonight? Oh, nice. Nice and shiny. In the water.
Oh, is that it? I've been doing this wrong.
Kite fishing.
It's a big one, ain't it?
Woo! Hold that guy up.
Freaking dinosaur. Holy shit.
You want to lay down next to it?
The largest redhead.
Victor? A little bit back? Yeah, tight lines.
20-pounder.
Holy shit, sideways. Back up a little bit. Your fish is too big to fit the frame. All right, good. Breathe. Any words?
What is it?
That doesn't look like a shark. No, I think it's just hooked. Yeah, it just hooked funny.
Right where your scissors.
All right, so yesterday I had this king mackerel and she had roe in her. And we were like, we're not gonna waste the roe. Megan's like, you're gonna eat the roe? And I was like, okay, I'm gonna eat the roe. So I spent a whole bunch of time watching videos today to see just how people prepare roe. Some eat it raw, some eat it fried, whatever. Megan came up with a great recipe like she normally does. The recipe will be in the description box below on just how Megan made it. So here we go. I got this beautiful roe that Megan has floured and egg washed, refloured and fried. And I have a little bit of soy sauce in the middle. I've been told that roe is extremely salty to begin with, but I'm gonna overdo it just to be on the safe side. I got a handy glass of water here, just in case. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, if you've ever had pot stickers or gyoza, this is phenomenal. Like this soy sauce with this recipe, if I had closed my eyes and you would have fed this to me, I would have thought I was eating a pot sticker. And just so you know, I was fairly nervous all day about eating this. I saw it look like raw. There's another piece sitting over there on the counter. And I was like, oh, what am I doing? What am I signing up for? This is amazing. Again, pot sticker-esque. Done. I would do this every time. So if you ever get a king mackerel and it's got roe in it, you have got to try this. And just to show you how serious I am.
Do I have to try a taste of it?
Oh yeah. Megan's about to come and try a taste of this.
Okay.
Stand by.
Most fried peas.
All right.
So you're really making me try this?
Yeah, so you've really outdone yourself. I would cleanse your palate with just a sip of water. Just no? You're just gonna go for it? Do it. You won't regret it.
I don't like sushi. I don't like fresh or raw seafood of any. God.
Right? The way you've prepared it, it tastes like a pot sticker.
I wouldn't go that far.
I would. Are you disgusted?
No.
Do you like it? No?
No.
I love it. So
I'm not chugging water, so I'm taking that as a... It has a good texture on the fry on the outside, but it's kind of soft on the inside, and I'm a very big texture person, and I don't like that it's very soft, but it doesn't taste fishy. It doesn't taste like mackerel. If you're ever going to eat mackerel, just raw, it doesn't have any of that flavor, so it's actually good, but...
oh, that was the dog. He wants a piece. So anyways,
The bark of warning.
the bark of wanting. Hey, so if you guys are trying this, like, roe can be kind of gross looking. Hold on.
Roe is very gross looking.
So roe is gross looking. You know, I sent this picture to a bunch of friends yesterday and they were like, are you sure you got a female and not a male? I mean, this is very unappetizing. However, when you slice it up like we did, you flour it, you egg it, you reflour it, and you fry it, it's got this great texture. You don't get those little egg pops like you do in caviar.
It was a lot less worse than I thought it would be.
It's not fishy.
It's not.
You get a lot of
The fact
breading.
that I ate it without having to gag is a big thing.
Oh, that is good. I tell you what though, I'll eat a lot of different things. I really enjoyed this. So if you ever get the opportunity to try mackerel roe, do it like this. Follow the recipe that we have in the description below. If you do, you'll like it. If you don't, try the recipe again because you probably didn't follow it. Because I gotta tell you, this is just fantastic. So anyways, before I have another piece, I just ask that if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe. If there's something you'd like to see, drop a comment in the comment section below and we'll get back to you. I'd love to hear what you guys would like to see next. But that's enough talking for now. I'm gonna keep eating. See you next time.